Imagine the world has vanished. There's only white, the snow, the wind, the sky. Your car is a distant memory, your phone is a useless brick, and the temperature is dropping with the sun. Panic begins to crawl up your throat, a cold more dangerous than the air. This is the moment your body wants to quit. But your mind can't let it. Your first enemy isn't the cold. It's the chaos in your head. So you force a breath. In for 4 seconds, hold for 4, out for 4. You break the overwhelming problem of survival into one single, achievable task: shelter. You find a deep snowdrift protected by pines, and you begin to dig. Hollowing out a small cave, a quinsy, you notice the wind dies down. The walls of snow insulate you. It's still freezing, but it's a survivable freeze. Next, fire. Your hands are numb, your lighter fails, but you have a ferro rod. You scrape dry tinder from beneath tree bark and shield it with your body. A spark. A second, nothing. Then, a tiny ember glows. You feed it gently, and a flame flickers to life. It's more than warmth. It's hope. You melt snow for water, never eating it raw, as that would lower your core temperature. As the storm rages outside your snow cave, you realize survival isn't a list of items in a backpack. It's a series of correct decisions. It's the mental fortitude to stay calm when every instinct screams in terror. The most advanced gear is useless without the will to use it. In the end, the only thing that truly stands between you and the unforgiving elements is your own mind. Prepare it, and your body will follow.